Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Flying Charleston. Technically it's a First Move Flying Charleston Kicks. So, things you need to have already done. You need to have done First Move Charleston Kicks. I highly recommend also learning First Move Turning Charleston Kicks, and if you want to learn the flying step on its own, then all you need to do is head off to the Charleston Challenge, because one of the Charleston Challenges was learning this step. So this is just taking that, putting it all together, so you get this move. Here it goes. 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, on your own, this is literally from a normal Charleston. It's like a turning Charleston, one of those, except you don't turn as much and you travel forwards. So let's break it down. Man's left, lady's right. One normal Charleston together. So we go rock step, one full Charleston. Okay, from here we've got the first kick as usual. Kick, down. The next double, same technique you're using for leading a turning Charleston, so the lady knows what's going on. And instead of leading a strong rotation on the spot, we're leading half speed rotation whilst also sending the lady forwards, so she wants to travel and turn more slowly. So we get kick, there's going to be a hop and a kick, so we're travelling the whole time. So we just keep our movement going on down the line. We take a step, we're still turning. At this point, guys, you're trying to collect the lady, which means you're going to go through low with that hand. Hopefully the lady's going to go over the top, realising we're back side by side, and pick up the shoulder. And we're into rock step. So basically, you're still doing your normal Charleston, guys doing guy steps, ladies doing lady steps, but you're on the opposite side. So trying to do normal Charleston in that position, quite tricky. But we're just going to do the first step, kick, down, and we're going to head straight back. So again, we lead rotation, this time to the lady's right, guy's left, and we get the same double hop, double kick. So we get kick and kick, back to the normal arm connection, back to a normal Charleston, rock, step, kick, double kick, and rock, step, and finish as usual. The timing doesn't change from a standard Charleston, so this is just going to feel like a turning Charleston, but where you head somewhere and then head back. So we'll go the other end so you get a different view, and we'll try it together, nice and slow. Here we go. 5, a 6, Flying Charleston Kicks. We go a back, and in, a rock, step, kick, double kick, and a rock, step, kick, away and away, connect, a rock, step, kick, heading back, and a rock, step, kick, normal Charleston, offer to finish off, and you've done First Move Flying Charleston Kicks. Well done. We will be back next time with another set of Charleston Kicks, following up on the Solo Charleston Challenge. Hope you've enjoyed it. Go on, like the video, subscribe, hit the bell, you know every time a new video comes out. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.